So I'm looking at the DEB Junior Cert 2016 Paper 1 Higher Level Maths question 13. It's an inequalities question. Solve the following inequality and graph the solution on the number line. Minus 6 is less than 4x plus 2 is less than or equal to 14, where x is an element of the real numbers. It's important that you remember that the real numbers are solid lines in a number line. So first of all, I've gotten rid of the plus 2 in the middle by subtracting 2 from absolutely everywhere. And then I've got 4x in the middle. Now I want to get x in the middle on its own. So what's the opposite of multiplying by 4 is dividing by 4. So I've divided everywhere by 4. And I got minus 2 is less than x is less than or equal to 3. It's important to note that less than means that we're not going to include it, and less than or equal to here means we are going to include it. So I'm going to include 3 but not include minus 2 and draw a solid line between them. The swimming pool question. The area of a swimming pool is given by, so we've gotten the area. The width of the swimming pool is given by x plus 5, and we want to find the length. Well, we know it's a rectangle and that's length times width. So if I want to get length on its own, I need to divide both sides by width. So it's x plus 5 being divided into 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 25x minus 25. And we're going x divided into 2x cubed is 2x squared. So 2x squared by x is 2x cubed, and 2x squared by 5 is plus 10x squared. So the long division question, changing the signs. 6x squared minus 10x squared is minus 4x squared, taking down the minus 25x. X divided into minus 4x squared is minus 4x. And then we're going minus 4x by x is minus 4x squared minus 20x. Change the signs. I'm going to move everything up just because I'm going to run out of space a little bit. Change the signs. This becomes a plus, this becomes a plus. 25x plus 5x is minus 5x minus 25, bringing that down to there. X divided into minus 5x is minus 5, so minus 5 now times all of this is minus 5x minus 25. 0 when we change the signs, so that means as it divides in evenly, this fella here, the length is 2x squared minus 4x minus 5 is the length. The last part of the question, given that the length of the swimming pool is 25 meters, find the possible widths of the pool. Okay, well, I know the length is 2x squared minus 4x minus 5, and they're saying it's equal to 25, just in the question. So now I have a quadratic equation. 4x minus 30 is equal to 0. I can use the guide number. The guide number is minus 60. Actually, I can simplify it even further because I can divide everything by 2. X squared minus 2x minus 15. The guide number is minus 15. Factors of minus 15 are minus 5 and plus 3. I'm going x minus 5, x minus x squared minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. X by x minus 5. X minus 5, I get a plus 3 in the middle. So it's x plus 3, x minus 5 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. So that means x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 5. And I want us to find the width. Remember, the width was x plus 5. So either the width is x plus 5, so it's minus 3 plus 5, or it's 5 plus 5. So that's the width is 2 meters or 10 meters. And then just using your common sense, you'd probably remove the 2 meters because you'd have a very narrow swimming pool if that were the case. Hopefully you found the video useful.